I'm pretty sure no one loves the holidays as much as Nick.
The heart loves what the heart loves.
But first we have to get the spaces clean and ready for guests before we can have a bunch of friends and family over.
So Sarah's #1 rule is before anyone gets to the house, we have to spend at least 5 hours cleaning.
Well, hopefully we won't have to spend that much time because we partnered with Zepp. They sent us some amazing products and we're gonna get these spaces ready in no time.
I think we've gotten pretty good at this.
Can you stay focused?
Yes.
Let's do this.
Yeah. I don't know what all this negativity about multitasking is about, because I got this.
Nick thinks I don't see everything that goes on. But I do. Okay, so sometimes when you have an upholstered headboard, you know how sometimes product from your hair can get on the headboard and make it look dingy? Not to worry, I've got the advanced Oxy Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. All I have to do is blot, wait 5 minutes, and the stain goes away and it's ready for the next guest. Hey Nick, can you bring me that holiday pillow?
Here you go. Hey guys, so we are having so much fun cleaning together. I'm gonna go ahead and tackle the countertops. And what are you gonna do, Sarah?
I'm gonna clean the floors.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Let's see how that goes. I always forget to do this. This is the hard part. Oh, there we go. Oh, there's 2 different types of spray actions here. We're gonna go on the wider spray. There we go. Quick safety tip for you folks at home. A good strategy when mopping is bend the knees a little bit and just kind of get that flow going, you know, so you just kind of like can get that maneuverability and extension that gives you maximum coverage when you are, cleaning.
That's good stuff.
The Air and Fabric Odor Eliminator.
So easy. Even Nick can do it.
So whenever we're designing a space and we have a piece that is all leather, we want to make sure that we're giving the care instructions to our clients, especially if it's going to last a lifetime, which these pieces can if you take care of them. It's recommended that you clean your leather every 6 months or so, and Zepp's leather cleaner and conditioner also recommends the same. This is a one-step process that you can simply spray on the rag. Let's go ahead and adjust that spray nozzle first. Can't have that get away from you. All right, so we're gonna spray a little bit onto the rag, and I'm just gonna rub it in. So before you even put the conditioner onto your rag, you're gonna wanna wipe off the furniture too, just to get rid of any loose dust or anything like that. Then you're gonna take your rag and you're gonna put your cleaner and conditioner onto the rag itself. And I just like to rub it in a little bit. Then you're simply just gonna apply it to the surface of the chair. And in a matter of minutes, you're done.
Hey Nick, let's wrap up this situation.
I'm already a step ahead of you.
That's not what I meant.
You mean the video?
Correct.
Great.
But while everyone's out grabbing wrapping paper, they can also grab some Zepp products and get their spaces ready for the holidays.
Sounds good to me. And that's a wrap.
Nick, that is not what we discussed.